Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best cable crimper is probably one of the most indispensable tools for anyone tackling electrical projects, from professional electricians to DIY enthusiasts, ensuring secure, reliable connections that are crucial for safety and optimal performance, making it essential to choose a model that offers precision, durability, and ease of use to avoid frustrating reworks and potential hazards in your wiring tasks. Number 5. Wirefy Ratcheting Crimping Tool for Insulated Connectors AWG 22-10. This hand crimper features an efficient ratcheting mechanism and a professional-grade crimping die. It ensures proper, rock-solid crimps every single time, especially with insulated nylon electrical terminals. Wire connectors are crimped by simply squeezing its handle through a complete ratcheting cycle until it releases automatically. This ratcheting function also secures your connector, allowing you to easily insert wires. A convenient star wheel allows you to adjust its crimping height, ensuring the perfect amount of force for any project. Plus, a quick release lever lets you open its jaws at any point. Its ergonomic, cushioned, and non-slippery handles are designed for strong grips in all conditions. These provide ample leverage, making it comfortable to crimp AWG 22-10 splices with ease. Wirefy is dedicated to product excellence and stands behind its tools. Should you encounter any issues, their customer experience team is always ready to provide support and assistance. What we like. This tool offers a professional-grade ratcheting mechanism for consistently perfect crimps. If you work frequently with insulated electrical terminals and value precision and comfort, this is an excellent choice. Its adjustable force and ergonomic design ensure reliable results and reduced hand fatigue for your projects. What people say. Number 4. Gaobige 11-in-1 Network Toolkit. This comprehensive 11-in-1 kit provides everything you need for network tasks. It's designed to make your work convenient and efficient, covering a wide range of cabling needs. This professional 3-in-1 tool handles crimping, cutting, and stripping with ease. It saves you time and effort, significantly boosting your work efficiency for various connectors and cables. It includes a versatile cable tester for both telephone and network lines. This device supports multiple standards and connector types, ensuring accurate diagnostics for your connections. This kit is perfectly designed for testing network and telephone lines, alarm cables, and more. It's an essential tool for various communication and data wiring projects. All these tools come safely stored in a convenient, portable bag. This protects them from damage, allowing you to easily carry and use them wherever your work takes you. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides all the essential tools for network cable installation and testing. If you're setting up or maintaining network infrastructure at home or office, this all-in-one solution is incredibly convenient. It includes a versatile crimper, a cable tester, and more, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts and IT professionals alike. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source was empty. Number 3. AMZCNC 10 US ton hydraulic crimping tool and cable cutter kit. This versatile kit provides robust hydraulic crimping and efficient cable cutting. It's designed to handle a wide range of electrical tasks with ease and precision. It offers a crimping range from 12 AWG to 20 AWG and can cut up to 20 AWG. Included are 9 pairs of hexagon crimping dies, ensuring you have the right size for various connections. Perfect for battery, welding, power, and electrical cables, this tool is incredibly versatile. Its head can rotate 180 degrees, allowing you to work comfortably even in tight, narrow spaces. Featuring an innovative collet structure, the molds remain stable without shaking, and the plier's head is exceptionally strong due to overall quenching technology. This ensures reliable performance and longevity. An innovative handle return spring allows for easy one-hand operation. This design improvement makes crimping jobs simpler and more efficient, enabling a single person to complete tasks independently. Please note, the included cable scissors are specifically designed for cutting copper or aluminum cables. They are not suitable for cutting steel wire rope. Every unit undergoes a thorough double-check before leaving the factory. Should any quality concerns arise, our dedicated service team is ready to assist you. What we like. This powerful hydraulic crimper is designed for heavy-duty applications, ensuring strong and secure connections. If you frequently work with larger gauge battery or welding cables, its 10-ton force and wide crimping range are ideal. The innovative 180 degrees rotating head also makes it exceptionally versatile for tight or awkward spaces. What people say. Number 2. AMZCNC 10-ton hydraulic crimper with 9 dies. This tool delivers strong and consistent crimps with its powerful 10-ton hydraulic mechanism. It's perfect for battery cables, welding cables, and various electrical wiring projects, ensuring reliable connections every time. It comes with 9 interchangeable dies, covering a wide range from 12 AWG to 20 AWG. Plus, a dedicated 1/8 stainless steel wire rope die makes it ideal for many different applications, from battery terminals to cable railings. Its 180-degree rotating crimping head provides excellent access in confined working areas. This design allows for easier positioning and more efficient crimping, even in hard-to-reach spots like electrical panels or engine compartments. A built-in return spring reduces hand fatigue, allowing for comfortable one-handed operation. The quick change latch system also makes replacing dies fast and simple, saving you time on the job. Constructed from heavy-duty carbon steel with non-slip handles, it offers a secure and comfortable grip. A hydraulic pressure release valve ensures smooth operation and safe tool reset after each crimp, making it reliable for any user. What we like. Boasting 10 tons of hydraulic power, this tool delivers robust and consistent crimps for various heavy-duty cables. If you need a reliable solution for battery cables, solar systems, or marine applications, its extensive die set has you covered. Its one-hand operation and quick change dies make it efficient and user-friendly, even for demanding tasks. What people say. No reviews available to extract points from as the source JSON is empty. Please provide product reviews in a source JSON to get relevant points. Number 1. FINDMALL 6-50mm Superscript 2 Battery Cable Lug Crimping Tool. This essential tool simplifies your electrical projects. It's designed for securely crimping battery and wire lugs, ensuring reliable connections every time. Crafted from hardened steel, it offers exceptional durability. The accompanying cable cutter features heavy-duty carbon steel blades for clean, precise cuts. It handles a wide range of cable sizes, from 6 to 50 mm Superscript 2. This includes common AWG gauges like 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, and 10, making it highly adaptable. Featuring an accuracy crimping mold and a self-locking mechanism, it guarantees consistent, high-quality crimps. You can trust it for repeatable, professional results. It's perfect for various home improvement tasks. Use it for battery cables, welding cables, power wires, and other electrical connections. The package provides everything you need to get started. It comes with the crimper tool and a robust cable cutter. What we like. This manual crimper offers a straightforward and durable solution for common battery and welding cable sizes. If you're looking for a reliable, no-frills tool for specific AWG ranges and appreciate a bundled cable cutter, this is a great value. Its hardened steel construction ensures longevity and consistent performance for your home improvement projects. What people say. The tool is designed for efficient and reliable crimping of electrical cables. It features a robust construction ensuring durability and consistent performance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.